At this point in the game, if we press play, we really can't do anything because that camera has no functionality except for the Raycaster. What we want to be able to do in play mode is move around just like we do in scene view, rotating, zooming, moving around with the middle mouse button. So in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and create a new script, and we're going to call this something like scene view camera. Actually, I'm going to give it a little bit of a wordy name. I'm going to call this the scene view like camera because I want to be really specific with my class names. I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to go to my GitHub. Okay. All I'm going to do is copy what's in here. Now, this is already fixed on GitHub. You're going to see me do this. You're going to see me copy everything, including that using Unity Engine. I'm going to replace everything on here, and then I'm going to come in and I'm going to make sure that I correct the name here. Now, obviously, I'm going to give you guys the link to my GitHub in the description, and I'm going to make sure that this camera is up to date and working as perfectly as possible. Make sure that you drag and drop that scene view like camera script onto the main camera, and then you can adjust those values a little bit. You saw that I just adjusted the rotation speed so that it would be a little bit more less vomit inducing. Test those movement values, adjust them, make sure that you're comfortable with them. We're going to be using this camera a lot in this series. Obviously, it's a lot more comfortable to build from this type of camera.